Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. As you know, we have a bunch of robot members in our family. Today we want to introduce an awesome coding robot kit. Do you know which one it is? Well, it is Intelligent Stone 210AE. Build for more fun, create for more inspiration. This kit contains 619 building blocks of 88 types. These blocks are delicate and soft to the touch, and it is easy to put those two blocks together. We also provide you a building menu for you. According to this menu, you can build up to more than 100 of shapes. Of course, you can freely create more robot shapes with your own idea and have fun with them. Thanks to this built-in E6 controller, this kit can deliver revolutionary performance. And this self-developed controller has a touchable screen with a high definition and enable to connect different hardware, bringing more fantastic experience. In addition to its changeable style, I'm sure you'll be impressed by its program methods. First, you need to download the RoboCode software from our website. Through this software, you only need to drag and hold the scratch block to complete the programming. Or you can program with Python or C language to control the robots. Designed for easy operation, this software can be downloaded on the computers, tablets, mobile phones. At the same time, it supports Bluetooth connection. After connecting to the Bluetooth, you can use the handle to control the robot. We also provided more than 10 kinds of hardware, such as intelligent eyes, pilot sensor, laser ranging, gesture sensor, and so on. Children can have a basic understanding of the AI during the process of using it. We have decided 96 STEM courses for children to get studying and use in proficiency. Each stage of the curriculum is decided and arranged from introductory to advanced, with interesting courses, cases, games, experience, and projects to guide kids to explore, discover, and think about problems in real-life scenes and use STEAM thinking to solve them. The Intelligent Stone 210AE Kit, coding with fun, coding with your future. If you are interested in it, please leave a message in the comment section or contact us directly.